वंदेहं श्री गुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलं श्री गुरुं वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं चाप्रजातं सहगना रघुनाथान्वितं त्वं सजीवम् साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवम् श्रीराधा कृष्णपदान् सगना ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौरभक्तवृन्द श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौरभक्तवृन्द श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौरभक्तवृन्द Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna,
Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. He reasons ill who says that Vaishnavas die when thou art living still in sound. The Vaishnavas die to live, and living try to spread the holy name around. Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakura. My uncle late Kirubanandam was working for the Postal Department, Government of India. He was also a reciter of Mahabharatham in temples during festivals, following in the footsteps of his father Kuppusamy. He was an ideal family man. He had 4 daughters. He got 3 of them married to a suitable groom. He has 2 granddaughters and 1 grandson. One daughter is mentally sick. He has been helping us in the worship of Lord Jagannath by providing fruits, vegetables, grains, etc. During his retirement days, he worked on his own farm, producing groundnuts, paddy, vegetables, fruits, etc. Recently, I discussed his farm activities with Tejiyas Prabhu, Srila Prabhupada disciple. He was a resident of Polipakkam village, Sholinghur, Taluk, Ranipettai district, Tamil Nadu, near Sholinghur Narasimha Swamy temple. He was a pious soul. Please pray for the departed soul. Any donation towards the services of Vaishnavas like clothing, Gopichandan, Kantimala, cushion, mat, food grains, etc. is welcome. Our phone pay or Google Pay number is 9611243737. For more details, please contact Sri Ramaraj Vedic Astrologer Ramananda Chaitanya Chandra Das, 1/6A, Chelatur Village, Archipete Post, Archipete Taluk, Tirolu District, Tamil Nadu 631303. 49611243737 63847629777. Hare Krishna.